Hi everybody, this is Penguin Trades. We're looking at the ES futures here. So notice that overall prices in this downtrend, we have this very big measured move in play, this down measured move here. And on the way down with this second leg, it's its own downtrend, price overshot. That overshoot immediately led to a sharp reversal. It not only overshot this trend here, it also overshot the wider trend. But after the overshoot, that pushed price into a big reversal attempt. So two clear legs up, and then price broke this downtrend. When a downtrend gets a break, we can expect price to attempt a new low, basically to make a new extreme. That's how downtrends play out. That's how all trends play out, uptrends and downtrends. So for an uptrend, we could expect price to attempt a new high after a break. And basically what we've got here is a break and a measured move being met at the same time. A lot of bearish reaction very quickly to that, and so I'm looking for price to back up and fill this limit order in order to get in on this move down. So I'm just going to pause the recording and I'll unpause it when I get filled, or if I don't get filled, then I'll update that as well. And yeah, so I'll see y'all later. Alright, so we just got a fill here. So I am just going to let this trade play out, and I'm going to mute the mic, and I'll see y'all later. All right, and we are out. So basically, price just needed to back up a little bit. I just needed to do a little retest of that measured move level here. I got filled. Price then pushed on down here. So basically, after these two legs up, we got a good two-legged move back down. So, like I was saying, price action moves in pairs of twos. The overshoot pushed price into a two-legged reversal. The break pushed price into two legs attempting to make a new extreme. So, we'll see what price does when it reaches this measured move. It's around that, the same area as this trend line right here. So we could push up into another two legs back up. It could push up into a failed second entry, give an opportunity to get long on the second leg up. So, we'll see what happens. We just got to stick with what price is doing. And yeah, so that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you all next time.